It's 9 o'clock in the morning and you have already arrived at work. There are a million things to do. Check your email, finish something you started yesterday, tidy up your desk. But stop. Hold it. Have you read your horoscope yet? For many people, horoscope is a good way to waste 5 minutes. But if you haven't looked at your star sign yet, it's time you did. Somebody already studied your horoscope and made decisions about your future. Like it or not, astrology is important. Millions of people around the globe actually believe in it. American presidents, the secret services, national football managers, and successful business people have all used horoscopes in their work. Every time you write your date of birth on a form, somebody somewhere will probably look at the astrological information it contains. Does this person have the right personality for the job? Will they work well with the other people? How important is work in their life? So even if you think that horoscopes are a waste of time, it's often interesting to know what other people are thinking of you. Oh, by the way, have you read your boss's star sign yet?